Hello friends, have a nice day. Myself Prakash sir of NEET Computer Tutorial Platform. Congratulate you to our YouTube video. In this video, I will discuss very important questions, important multiple choice questions based on computer, which will help to IT students, computer students, examiners and interviewers. You have to check up to the end of this video and get sufficient information about examination, about IT sectors. Let us check. Question number 281. Which key of the following move the pointer to the starting of active line? Whenever we are creating the document, sometimes we have to move the pointer to the starting of active line. Then the alternatives are page up key, page down key, left arrow key, backspace key, and none of the above. So the real answer is none of the above, because page up key, page down key, left arrow key, backspace key, these are not the correct answer. The correct answer is home key. So that is why home key is the correct answer. Question number 282. Which key of the following move the pointer to the end of active line? Like that question, pointer should be moved to the end of active line. So the correct answer is end key. The next question is, which key of the keyboard move the pointer one screen upward? So the alternatives are page up, page down, left arrow, up arrow, none of the above. So the correct answer is page up key. Question number 284 is, which key of the keyboard move the pointer one screen downward? So the correct answer is page down key. Question number 285 is, which key combination of the following move the pointer to the starting of active document? To the starting of active document, not to the starting of active line. This is the question about to the starting of active document. So the alternatives are control page up, control page down, control up arrow, control home key, control end key, none of the above. So the correct answer is control home key. The next question is, which key combination of the following move the pointer to the end of active document? End of active document. So the correct answer is control plus end key. Question number 287 is, which key of a keyboard move pointer half inch right? The alternatives are tab key, control tab key, both A and B, shift plus tab key, none of the above. The correct answer is both A and B, control plus tab key and also only tab key, both can be used. Question number 288 is, which shortcut keys do you use to increase font size in Word editor? Control shift greater than, control tab greater than, control shift greater than, control alt greater than. The correct answer is control shift greater than. Question number 289 is, which of the following shortcut used to decrease font size in Word editor? So like that, the correct answer is point number A. Option number A is the correct answer, control plus starting square bracket. Question number 290 is, which of the following shortcut used to align document in Word editor? Control L, Control R, Control E, Control J, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above, because left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and the Control J is just where the Control J is used for justification by both edge of a paragraph alignment. Control J. So that is why all options are correct. Question number 291 is, which of the following shortcut used to open save as window in Word editor? The correct answer is Alt F8. Question number 292 is, which of the following shortcut used to close active file in Word editor? The correct answer is Alt plus F plus C, Alt FC. Point A is the correct answer. Then question number 293 is, which shortcut do you use to open a document in Word editor? So the correct answer is Control plus O, Alt plus F plus O. So that is why B and C both are correct answer. Question number 294 is, which shortcut do you use to close Word editor? So the correct answer is Alt Fx. Point C is the correct answer. Alt F4 also we can use to close the editor. Question number 295 is, which shortcut do you use to print active file in Word editor? So out of these alternatives, Control plus P, Alt Fp, both B and C are correct answer for this question. Question number 296 is, which of the following is the correct answer for saving a new file in Word editor? For saving a new file, all of the above. Control S we can use for saving the new file. Alt F8 we can use for saving the new file. We can click file menu and save option. We can click file menu and save as option. So that is why both A, B, C, D all are correct answer for this question. Question number 297 is add a document into an active file and again save to the same file. For this application, which one is the correct answer in Word editor? So the correct answer is Control plus S. Question number 298 is which of the following option do you use to create a duplicate file of an active file in Word editor? For creating the duplicate file, the alternatives are Control S, Alt F8, Alt S, Control A. So the correct answer is point number B by option number B, that is Alt F8. Question number 299 is which of the following is the file name to start MS Word editor? Which of the following is the file name to start MS Word editor? Office.exe, Word.exe, Write.exe, WinWord.exe, none of the above. The correct answer is point number B, that is WinWord.exe. This is the software file for loading MS Word editor. Then question number 300 is which of the following is used to change bold character? The correct answer is Control plus B by B, point number B is the correct answer. Control plus I should be italic, Control plus U that is underline.